If you've been comparing replacement windows, my bet is you've asked yourself, why is Renewal by Andersen so expensive? And is the higher cost actually worth it? Renewal by Andersen does cost more than a lot of options, but that premium isn't random. It goes towards 4 factors: the material, the installation, the warranty, and the customization. You're paying more up front and getting more for it. Hi, I'm Cameron Clark with Renewal by Andersen. We've been installing replacement windows throughout North America for 3 decades. And the question about cost is one we hear a lot. In this video, we'll look at what replacement windows can actually cost, then break down what going premium can get you. And stick around, I'll even tell you when premium solutions may not make sense for you. Let's start with some context by answering the question, what does window replacement actually cost? The honest answer? It depends on size, material, and where you live. Even budget and mid-range windows span a wide range. Premium sits above that. So where's the extra money going? Let's start with what your windows are made of. The core difference between our replacement windows and the other option is Fibrex composite material. Compared to vinyl, it's twice as strong, which means thinner, more durable frames. After 30 years in a home, Fibrex material is not cracked, pitted, corroded, flaked, blistered, or peeled. Standard vinyl does not cost as much, but it can expand and contract with the temperature changes, which might cause warping, seal failure, or fading over time. Add it all up and you're paying more upfront for a material that's built to hold up longer with less maintenance over its life. Here's a real example. I was at a home less than 5 years old where the vinyl windows that came with it were already failing. Drafty, hard to operate, letting in air and water. The owners were taping plastic film over them in the winter just to keep the cold out. They ended up replacing every window years sooner than they ever expected. But the material is only part of the picture. A good window is only as good as the way it's installed. That's why installation is built into our price and not a separate line item. With Renewal by Andersen, most installs are handled by a team of certified master installers, people who have gone through our own training and certification program. That means you don't need to find your own contractor to put your windows in. The window and the install come from one company, start to finish, with the same process wherever you live. Let's talk about warranty. It's a big part of what you're paying for. And we back our windows with the nation's best warranty. For you, that means more coverage that lasts longer, and one company that stands behind both the window and the installation. No finger pointing, no guesswork. If anything ever comes up, you know who to call. Our limited warranty covers 20 years on standard glass and Fibrex materials, 10 years on the locks, hinges, and other non-glass components, and 2 years on the professional installation. And it's fully transferable. If you ever sell your home, the warranty stays with the house. The next owner gets the same protection. Finally, there's customization and matters for every home. Off-the-shelf windows come in fixed sizes, so an installer usually picks the closest one and fills the leftover space around it with trim and filler. That filler does 2 things. It leaves more room for air and moisture to work in over time, and it takes up space where glass could be. Our windows are built to within a 1/16 of an inch for your opening. That means a tighter seal against the elements and more glass to see through. We also let you choose from a full range of colors, finishes, and frame profiles. That's something you don't always get with off the shelf. It's your home, and with custom, you don't have to settle for something you're not in love with. The choices are what make it yours. So is the cost of our replacement windows worth it? It really depends on your situation. Like I promised earlier, here's when we make sense and when we don't. A big box or budget option can sometimes make more sense. Maybe you're planning to sell in a few years. Maybe you're working with a tighter upfront budget. Or you want something low maintenance and you're not worried about how it holds up in the long term. A premium option can make more sense in other situations. Like if you're staying in the home for a long haul, or you want low maintenance that lasts for years, or you'd rather have one company accountable for both the window and the install with one warranty covering both. Quick recap. Why is Renewal by Andersen so expensive? Because you're getting 4 things: Fibrex composite material, professional installation, the nation's best warranty, and a custom fit. You pay more upfront, but for a lot of homeowners, those 4 add up to something real: peace of mind. If you'd like to talk through what a replacement project looks like specifically for your home, hit the link in the description below and we can set up a free in-home consultation with one of our design consultants at Renewal by Andersen. Either way, good luck with your project and thanks for watching.